One of the things I really appreciate specifically about GF is the quality of the products, that their tolerances meet or exceed expectations all the time. And some of the systems that are over 30 years old are still operational, working as intended from day one.
With all of our piping and valving, we just use GF, and we know that it will be reliable, consistent, and efficient.
I've stuck with this type of piping system since we found it. And I gotta say, I don't think we've ever needed to troubleshoot anything. It's just installed it.
I often say competition makes us faster, but collaboration makes us better, especially working with really good collaborators such as GF.